Damn, tastes really good. So we're making the Dubai famous chocolate bars today, and I have all of the ingredients with me. Alright, so the first step is to chop up the phyllo dough, or Kataifi. I think that's what you pronounce it. So I'm not going to cut all of it, just like a quarter of it, because I don't want the rest to go to waste. And this was frozen, so... Okay, so like only that much. I think it's shredded already, so I'm just gonna put it on a pan with butter. Alright, so we're gonna add some butter. So we're just gonna mix this around until it gets crispy, and it's just on a low heat. I think I was supposed to like cut it up even though it was shredded, because now it's just like one big clump and it won't come apart. So I ended up shredding it just by hand, and we're gonna wait for this to turn orange. Okay, so this is finally orange. I'm gonna wait for it to cool, and then I'm gonna mix in all the ingredients. So while the dough is getting crunchy, we're gonna start on these. And I was thinking of making half with golden and half with white and golden. So this is the gold glitter I'm using. I got it from Amazon, and it's edible. So instead of using alcohol, which people usually use to mix it in, I'm using lemon, and I already mixed some in. That's what it's gonna look like. Alright, so we're just gonna paint 3 of them with golden and then with white and golden. So like this. It's like random, but not too random. Just like that. So this is the 3 done, and I'm just using some candy wafers that I got from Bulk Barn because they're already tempered. So the chocolate is melted now, and we're gonna add it. So this is what the golden and white looks like, and this is what the golden looks like. Okay, so I got my brown candy melts now. Add a little bit of white because I feel like I don't have brown enough. Alright, so we got our chocolate melted. I put these in the fridge for 2 minutes to set, and now we're going to fill them up with chocolate. So apparently you gotta fill this up and then dump it back out. So it's gonna be nice. I'm just gonna pat it down so it gets into all the nooks. Alright, so these are done, and I'm gonna stick them in the fridge for 20 minutes. Okay, so now that the Kataifi is finally cooled down, we're gonna add the pistachio cream to it. Big spoon should be good. And maybe a little bit more because I feel like that's less. Wow. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some tahini to it because I feel like a lot of people skip this step. And I'm just gonna mix it first. This much should be good. Maybe a little more. I think that's good. And I got my handy dandy little spoon. So we're gonna add a bit more of the pistachio cream because this looks really dry. All right, so it's been 20 minutes. I took out the chocolate and this is ready too. So we're just gonna add it on. And so I just finished filling these up and it took way longer than it was supposed to. So we're gonna remelt the chocolate because it got hard. All right, so now it's time to cover the box. I feel like I overfilled it, so it might be a little weird. Okay, so I finally finished and this is going in the fridge for like about 1.5 hours. So I let this set for like 1.5 hours and I'm gonna take them out of the mold and see how they turn out. They're stuck together. Uh-oh. Okay, we're gonna put this one. Let's cut off the sides a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Damn, tastes really good. Done.